Like, the funny thing is I can click stuff and it pulls up web pages. And I think this is pulling up like the TLS of the game when I click like the portion that I can see. Oh, maybe I need to do that now. Maybe that's why it's not just being weird. So, where do I do that? Is it language control panel? Or region and language settings? Okay, and then I change this to what, China? China. And Windows and apps use country. Is there a way to keep it like English and it not change all my shit to Chinese? Is it like region and language, and then do I need to change my region settings, right? System local. Region. And then when it, like, cause you're using Windows 10, right? And whenever you go to the region and language, you just change, Windows and apps might use your country and region to give your content. Change it to China, right? That you did. Mine just says China, it doesn't say China, Chinese simplified or anything, it just says China. Okay. That's it? Like I just changed this and close it out? Let's see if that fixes it. I'm still in the... Alright, I'll be right back.